Hi, we're Team Safa and we live in the capital of India, Delhi. We are a bunch of design students passionate about increasing the adoption of electric vehicles in India. The e-rickshaw sector makes up 83% of the Indian EV market and therefore is at the core of our problem area. In India, as of 2021, there are more than 1.5 million e-rickshaws, of which more than 100,000 are in Delhi. E-rickshaws are three-wheeler vehicles powered by batteries and are a cheap mode of local transport. They have a travelling limit of around 90 km per charge at a speed ranging from 20 to 25 km per hour. The rickshaw has to be charged every day and the cost per charge is approximately $2. These vehicles are designed to carry 4 passengers at once. Now, let's meet Raj, who is an e-rickshaw driver in Delhi, and let's try to see his pain points. He starts his day by 6 am after charging his rickshaw throughout the night. He generally travels in crowded places to scout for passengers. At each pickup point, he waits until he gets a minimum of 5 to 6 passengers for one ride. At around noon, Raj needs to take a break to charge his battery, which is about 4 to 5 months old. This charging time makes him lose on passengers and the income that he would have otherwise gained. Raj takes his e-rickshaw back to the charging station to charge overnight. He works for around 12 to 14 hours a day, which gives him $15 to $18. After our research with the e-rickshaw drivers and doing design thinking activities such as empathy maps and scenario maps, we realized that the two main problem areas for the e-rickshaw drivers are financial and battery management, which are two interlinked problems. Our goal in solving these two problem areas was to help e-rickshaw drivers manage their finances better and increase the adoption of e-rickshaws in India. To live a decent life in India, a person needs a minimum earning of $525 a month, due to which their future is insecure. E-rickshaw drivers earn just around $390 to $460 a month. The cost of buying a battery in India ranges from $78 to $100. Apart from that, the other expenses include replacing batteries every 6 months, charging the vehicle daily, and monthly maintenance cost of the rickshaw. All this comes to an approximate expense of $200 to $250 every 6 months. Since there is no standard pricing system to charge the passenger of e-rickshaw, drivers frequently get into bargaining arguments and tend to overboard the rickshaw with 5 to 6 passengers to earn more. We conducted a number of field visits to research around the battery management and pollution problem and looked into numerous battery repurposing solutions. Countries like China have already been a financial victim of battery pollution in the past. Introducing Safa-E, which is a solution that tackles both battery management and financial management for the e-rickshaw driver. The Delhi metro system is the most reliable transportation system, and our service, Safa-E, makes use of the robust infrastructure of the Delhi Metro Rail Corporation. As of 2022, there were more than 25 million metro cards in circulation, with almost 10 to 11,000 new ones being sold daily. Majority of the passengers travel using the metro by purchasing tokens to their destination station or using the metro card as a payment method, with which they travel at a discounted rate. On reaching their preferred metro station, travelers usually take e-rickshaws to reach their respective destinations. Let's look at how Raj's life changes when he starts using the Safa-E service. The driver, Raj, goes to the metro station as usual to scout passengers, where he sees a battery swapping station set up outside. He signs up with the Safa-E executive by completing the KYC process, providing his bank account details and paying a quarterly subscription fees. Raj is now able to use battery swapping service of Safa-E whenever his battery gets depleted. He scans the QR code on the Safa-E machine using the Safa-E app, takes a new battery from the machine and replaces the discharged battery. The payment for swapping the battery is automatically deducted from Raj's Safa-E wallet. Aditi, who is a passenger, is travelling by the metro and needs to board an e-rickshaw to reach her destination. From the Safa-E app, she finds that Raj's e-rickshaw is closest to her. She scans the QR code available in the e-rickshaw to start the journey. The app starts recording the number of kilometers travelled and will also calculate the total cost of the journey. When Aditi scans the QR code to end her ride, the charges will be directly transferred from Aditi's wallet to Raj's wallet through the Safa-E app. Since the Safa-E app is calculating the cost of the journey, Raj will not have to bargain for a fair pricing, thus making the whole e-rickshaw industry much more organized and reliable. This increases Raj's income by an appreciable percentage monthly. But that's not even the best part. Since Safa-e encourages battery swapping over owning batteries, it drastically reduces the investment that Raj has to do in his e-rickshaw by 40%. This behavior of shared economy promotes a sustainable and cooperative way of living as well. The DMRC provides Safa-e with the space to build battery swapping booths where the depleted batteries are charged using solar panels, which is not only sustainable but also a cheap method of charging batteries. The DMRC also allows passengers to use their Metro cards to pay the e-rickshaw drivers through the Safa-e app. The Delhi Metro recently earned $2.5 million from sale of carbon credits collected over a period of 6 years. Integrating with the Safa-e service will add on to their carbon credits. This also satisfies the needs of the 4 sustainability goals introduced by UN: affordability and clean energy, industry, innovation and infrastructure, sustainable cities and communities, and climate action. Safa-e is a scalable service in the global context as well. The service will majorly be impactful in Southeast Asian countries that are dense in population and already use rickshaws as a mode of transport. Our sustainable service that is focused on the concept of shared economy solves the problem of battery pollution while also improving the financial health of e-rickshaw drivers.